Hi there, my name's Dave Blake from EasyGates Direct, and today I'll be talking a bit about the new additions to the LiftMaster automation range in their swing gate automation and their sliding gate automation. This includes three new additions to their swing gate automation, including the LA250, the AA250 and the LA300 EVK models, and three new additions to their sliding gate model range, which is in the SL400 EVK, SL600 EVK and the SL1000 EVK. Now, one thing that all of these models have in common is the control panel. So LiftMaster have launched a control panel which will automate all of these models of motors, including swing gate and sliding gate range. So let's take a look. It's the CB324 EV. So unlike its predecessor, this new control panel has many more features available, such as encoder technology, programmable parameters via a digital display, and adjustable torque limitation. As well as all of these features, this panel also has the MyQ technology built in. What is MyQ technology, I hear you ask? Well, MyQ technology is a programmable feature which enables you access to the control panel to operate the opening and closing of the gates, and will also give you the status of those gates as well, whether they're in the open or closed position. This is a module that will plug into your router at home, which will enable you access to your gates to know the status whether they're open or closed, and if open will allow you to remotely close them. To conclude, this board has been comprehensively designed with the installer in mind, with many more parameters and features that its predecessors didn't have. So now moving on to LiftMaster's latest addition to their sliding gate range. We have the SL400, SL600 and SL1000 EVK. Now again, like I mentioned earlier, these sliding gate motors all share the same control panel, the CB324 EV, but this is now housed within the sliding gate motor itself and not in a separate control cabinet. So although it's the same PCB, it is now housed within the motor itself. So what are the differences between these three motors? Well, the SL400 is capable of gate leaves up to 400 kilo, the SL600 up to 600 kilo, and you guessed it, up to 1000 kilo for the SL1000 EVK. To summarise, this is an exciting addition to our already extensive range of gate automation. For more information on these products, please contact us on 01384 569 942 or contact our technical team at technical@easygates.co.uk.